I know it is a long video, but it is worth it because we are turning a boring spreadsheet into a stadium.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Let me show you how. Fill the background with black. Increase the row height to create some space. Paint the center section green for the pitch. Make the top area a darker green for the goal zone. Change the font to dark gray and type O / a couple times to represent the fans in the stands. Place the ball symbol at the penalty spot. Center the alignment and boost the font size so it stands out. Go to Insert, then Pictures, and select Online Pictures. Search for a soccer goal PNG and resize it to fit perfectly over the goal area. Open the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Write the code for the left aim to set the direction value and reset the kick status. Repeat this for the center and right directions. Now script the kick logic. Add a check to ensure a new direction is chosen before kicking. Use a randomizer to decide where the goalie dives. Update the total shots count. Compare the aim with the dive to award a goal and update the streak or reset it if the goalie makes a save. Finally, script the reset function to clear all stats and directions. Head back to the sheet. Enter the formula to display the ball and glove icons when the kick is active. Use logic to show the save symbol if the goalie catches it or just the ball if you score. Apply this logic to all 3 sections of the goal. Insert 3 buttons below the field. Label them left and center and right and link them to the aim macros. Add a bigger button for the kick and one for the reset. Highlight the field and open conditional formatting. Add a rule to turn the screen dark red when the goalie makes a save. Add another rule to turn it golden when you find the back of the net. Label the headers for total goals and goal streak and total shots. Now start the match and see if you can break the record. Check my profile for more videos. And if you want to download this, go to my bio.